Hi and welcome to lesson 3.1 of Cart Notices for WooCommerce, configuring notice types and dynamic message. In this video, I will show you how to configure notice types and use dynamic message variables in WooCommerce Cart Notices. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Cart Notices, Deadline. Displays time-sensitive offers like order within the next time and your order ships today. Categories shows a notice if a product from a certain category is in the cart. Minimum amount shows a message if the cart total is below a set amount. Refer shows a notice based on the referrer a customer came from, such as Google Products. Triggers a message if a specific product is in the cart. Let's learn the configuration of each type. Step by step, click on the Add Cart Notice button in the Type drop-down, choose the type of cart notice. This notice appears on active days until the deadline hour. Give a notice a name, like deadline. Toggle the enabled button to enable or disable the notice. In the notice message field, add your notice message. In the call to action field, add the call to action button text. In the call to action URL field, add the redirect URL. Set the deadline hour in a 24-hour format. Choose the active days of the deadline. Once the details are added, click on the Create Cart Notice button. Click on the Add Cart Notice button. In the Cart Notice type drop-down, select Minimum Amount. This notice shows when the cart total is below the target amount and above the threshold amount. Give your notice a name, like Free Shipping Offer. Toggle the Enabled button to enable or disable the notice. In the Notice Message field, add your notice message. In Call to Action field, add the button text. In Call to Action URL field, add the redirect URL. Set the target amount. Add the threshold amount. Once the details are added, click the Create Cart Notice button. Click on the Add Cart Notice button. In the Type drop-down, select Categories in Cart. This notice appears when product from selected categories are in the cart. Add a name to your cart notice. Toggle the Enabled button to enable or disable the notice. In Notice Message field, write your message. In Call to Action, add button text. In Call to Action URL, add the redirect URL. In Show Categories, select the categories that will trigger the cart notice. In Hide Categories, select categories to hide the cart notice if products from those categories are in the cart. Once the details are added, scroll down and click the Create Notice button. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.